Alrighty, so today we're just doing a quick sneak peek after we've done our major demo for our little one bedroom that is going to be a darling apartment. We're just very excited about it and finding all kinds of fun things like risers that go from the floor below to above. We knew this drain pipe was here from the penthouse, and we got cladding for it. We're moving the breaker panel over, and there's our what'll be our kitchen sink and wall going into the bathroom. We had some fun drama yesterday with the through the wall sleeves, but we're had to change everything to through the wall air conditioning from a single pipe radiator system and move the pipes over, which we're going to do. And there's the other sleeve. It actually looks great from below. We found that the windows on the right and left of that main window are covered up in the bedroom. Go figure. Why would anybody do that? But this building was built in 1913, and we may have gas pipes in the floor right here. You can see that it goes down between the slats. This is, boards on sleepers, which we probably have to change this area because it's not solid enough. We got, holes in our lead bins for the drain pipes of the toilet, which would leak if we don't replace them, but we have to replace them. And so now, the piece de resistance is, we found, besides the sleeve, they had to open the wall and open this little outside window so that they could hang it's like an outside bucket, but they have to have the ropes tied around columns. And they were able to open this. There's an actual window. Kind of, you can see the sides of the windows over there, but on the front, it's this major decorative, I suppose terracotta columns left and right. And the window originally was covered up. Go figure. And the one on the right side is behind this angled wall. Have no idea why. Oh my God, building in Manhattan, never a dull moment. And we ripped out all the closets, and so we're now off to the races to try to get this done. The owner's having, I suppose, shock in seeing all this, but it's ciao for now.